Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to unlock and where to find the jelly instant luck potions in Petsco. So the new update just rolled out and we got new jelly pets, new huge pets, new jelly huge pets, and also we have the opportunity to craft jelly potions now, as well as to get jelly instant luck potion. So let's start first with our upgrades. Let's check what's the best to unlock first. As you can see on our left we have jelly potion crafter. On the right side we have jelly multipliers. We have jelly chest level 2 and we got some new stuff on the merchant. So let's first upgrade this coin multipliers just so we get our coins faster and start rolling right away so you can grind for those points. So as you can see, here is the position where the crafter should be. We will go into our upgrade menu, and as soon as we upgrade that one, we will see the crafting machine and we will be able to make potions level 2 over there. And I will show you which are the new jelly pets that we can roll from this update. So as you can see, there is a lot of new pets they added, and one more huge pet, this jelly panda, is the new one that they brought into the game with this update. I will just continue my upgrade, use everything that I have, use the cocktail and start breaking everything so I can progress as fast as I can. Since I'm playing on free-to-play server, this will take some time to go to our instant luck jelly, instant luck potion to unlock it. So let's try and finish that as fast as we can. So I will continue to upgrade jelly luck potions skill tree, since I'm sure that at the end of that side it will be a jelly instant luck potion. So we finally got 65 million, and as we said, there is a jelly instant luck juicing. So this will unlock the ability to create jelly instant luck potions in the juicer. You will be able to make them only in the juicer, as they say over here in the upgrade menu. So that's a good thing to know, and as you can see, you will need another 100 million just to unlock that one. So good luck to you guys. I will go ahead and go try to get this one very fast. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I will be there to answer you. That's all from me for this video, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.